Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to connect Toniebox to Wi-Fi. For iPhone users, you can download it from the App Store and Android from the Google Play Store. Open the app and create a free Tony account. Log in into the app and go to the Tonieboxes tab. Tap the red plus sign and add the new Toniebox. Ensure you have a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, your Toniebox and charging station nearby. Tap Start Now to begin the setup. Now find the 8-digit Toniebox ID on the bottom of your Toniebox and remove the Toniebox from the charging station to see the ID. Enter the ID in the app, then tap Continue. Place the Toniebox on the charging station to power it on and pinch both ears for 5 seconds until you hear a chime. The LED light will flash blue, wait for 20 seconds for a second chime and tap Continue in the app. Enter a custom name, then tap Complete. Your Toniebox will now try to connect to your Wi-Fi. The process may slightly differ depending on iPhone or Android. Follow any additional prompts in the My Tonies app to finalize setup. And that's it, your Toniebox is ready to go. Now just place a Tony character on top and start listening to magical stories and songs. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.